Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I'm about as confused as I've ever been in my whole life. You see there's some babies. In that back corner there's babies. The babies in the back corner are older than these babies. And how that happened, I haven't a clue. But I got 3 does from one rabbitry Sunday. They didn't have good records. I didn't like the rabbitry. The people were nice, and I went in and bought 3 does because I was having a hard time finding it. This brown one is a doe I've had, and these 2 white ones came from there. So I'm assuming I got them pregnant. I would have liked to have known that. The first set of babies was born on the wire. I put them in a box real quick because I didn't have time to build them a nest box. And they got thrown out of the box, but this has been like day 4. They are still alive. Those are some tough rabbits. Okay. And so what I was doing, I didn't know who was the mama. So I was trying to see who pulled fur to narrow it down, and I've been observing to see who's going in there. I'm thinking these 2 whites are my mamas, but I'm not sure because there's multicolored rabbits, and this thing's wore me out. I was up late the other night worried about them, and getting up early worried about them, but all of them are still alive. The first litter was 9, and there's probably about that many in this second litter. And evidently they're cohabitating this nest box, and maybe the babies are feeding because sometimes you can foster them. I don't have a clue what's going on. So anyway, I'm just gonna let it go like this for right now, and I don't know. I just don't know what to do. And until I can find out who's who, I'm just gonna let it stay like it is. And we'll see what happens. But I've got probably close to 20 babies, and I've got to get to calculating on some of this. And I think she's one of the mamas. But anyway, that's how my day's going. Hope y'all have a great weekend. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.